Hello, what's up guys? Meet me again in new CNC channel. Okay, long time we don't give you about Visual Basic tutorial, and now uh, we come back again to give you some tutorial to create simple hover button. Okay, why you do this? Because if you make standard button, it's uh, very bored to see, and for in this case I have to or prepare two images, the name blue.png and red.png. This is for our hover. Okay, the illustration will I will give the picture box in our form and then put this blue as background, and after hover it will become red. How to do that? Let's create our project first. Okay, then like usually we choose Windows Classic for desktop and Windows Form application. Let's put our project to desktop. Okay, after your Visual Studio successfully creating form, the first thing you must do is just add the resource to your application. This we can choose others and add uh, PNG image. You can you cannot do this, so you can just add existing file and then add for blue and existing again add for red. So we save our image for red.png and blue.png to our resource, and then back to our form. In here you can create the button with regular button and then put the image in here, but uh, I usually prefer using picture box with more advantage rather than just we using regular button. Okay, and in here we can just choose image because we import image to resource. So in the select in resource we can just select blue in here. Okay, and then you can find the image to center. Let's find the properties, background image, layout. Let's choose center this, and then for image, where is the image size? Okay, you can just click center image like this, and after you run, okay, after you run you can see there is nothing here because we don't do anything, but let's make this to more live. Just click your picture box one and then go to even. For even, just choose mouse over, and then for mouse over even we can uh, picture box one like this. Okay, dot image is equal to my dot resource, uh, because our hover is for red, so we choose red in here. And after picture box mouse over, we must back to blue uh, for default background, so we can just copy this and then just make this blue. for like the default we choose. Okay, let's click start again. You can see there. Okay, you can make your button is more professional or uh, like life rather than your button is die or suck. Okay, that's all the simple tutorial about how we can create button hover using Visual Basic.net. Okay, thanks for watching. You can download our project to or in news.co.id. Thanks for watching and bye bye.